Top 10 Foods to Heal Your Nerves. Hello and welcome to Farm Fresh. Are you tired of waking up in the morning feeling stiff and sore? Are you tired of dealing with tingling sensations, numbness or nerve pain? Well, today we're diving into the fascinating world of nerve health. Join me as we explore the wonders of natural healing and discover how you can nourish your nerves. Let's get started. But before we embark on this journey, let's take a moment to understand what nerve damage truly is. Nerves serve as intricate messengers transmitting vital signals between your brain and the rest of your body. Unfortunately, factors such as trauma, inflammation and nutrient deficiencies can wreak havoc on these delicate pathways, leading to discomfort and reduced functionality. Now let's dive into a comprehensive list of 10 foods and vitamins that play a vital role in promoting nerve health. By incorporating these elements into your diet, you can fortify your nerves and support their natural healing processes. Number 1 is vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 found abundantly in animal products like fish, eggs and dairy. Vitamin B12 is an essential nutrient for nerve cell maintenance and repair. It aids in the formation of the protective myelin sheath, ensuring optimal nerve conduction. Second on our list is omega-3 fatty acid. Omega-3 fatty acids embrace the goodness of fatty fish like salmon, trout and sardines. To supply your body with omega-3 fatty acids, these healthy fats possess potent anti-inflammatory properties and contribute to overall nerve well-being. Number 3 is vitamin D. Unleash the power of sunlight or embrace vitamin D-rich foods such as fortified dairy products, egg yolks, and mushrooms. Vitamin D deficiency has been linked to nerve damage in neuropathy, making it a crucial nutrient for nerve health. Just a friendly reminder, this channel is for educational purposes only, so speak to your doctor if you have any medical concerns. Number 4 is magnesium. Harness the benefits of leafy greens like spinach and kale as well as nuts and whole grains to introduce ample magnesium into your diet. Magnesium is indispensable for nerve function, regulating impulses and promoting efficient nerve transmission. Number 5 is vitamin E. Elevate your intake of almonds, spinach and sunflower seeds to tap into the antioxidant potential of vitamin E. This vitamin shields nerve cells from oxidative stress, potentially reducing nerve pain and improving overall nerve function. Number 6 is zinc. Discover the wonders of zinc, abundantly found in oysters, lean meats and legumes. This mighty mineral supports nerve cell development and repair, maintaining the entire integrity and functionality of your nerves. Number 7 is vitamin B6. Unlock the benefits of vitamin B6 by incorporating poultry, fish, bananas and chickpeas into your meals. This essential vitamin plays a pivotal role in healthy nerve communication, aiding in the production of neurotransmitters. Number 8, berries. Immerse yourself in the vibrant world of antioxidant-rich berries such as blueberries, strawberries and raspberries. These potent fruits safeguard your nerves from oxidative stress, providing anti-inflammatory properties that support nerve healing. Number 9, we have iron-rich foods. Optimize your nerve health by embracing iron-rich foods like meats, beans and fortified cereals. Iron ensures healthy oxygen transport to nerve cells, combating deficiencies that could impair nerve function and contribute to damage. Number 10 is green tea. Sip on a soup cup of green tea to harness the neuroprotective properties of its polyphenols. These compounds help reduce inflammation and shield your nerves from potential harm. Now that we've explored the essential foods and vitamins for nerve health, let's delve into 3 bonus dips that can supercharge your nerve healing. Journey Tip 1: Exercise and movement. Engaging in regular physical activity is not only beneficial for overall health but also plays a crucial role in nerve healing. Whether it's brisk walking, yoga or cycling, exercise promotes increased blood flow to the nerves, delivering essential nutrients and oxygen for repair and regeneration. Additionally, exercise releases endorphins, which are natural painkillers that can alleviate nerve pain and improve overall well-being. Tip 2: Stress management techniques. Chronic stress can have a detrimental impact on nerve health, exacerbating inflammation and impairing the body's natural healing processes. Implementing stress management techniques such as meditation, deep breathing exercises or engaging in calming hobbies like painting or gardening can significantly reduce stress levels. By promoting relaxation and calming the nervous system, these practices create an optimal environment for nerve healing. Tip 3: Adequate sleep and rest. Adequate sleep and rest is essential for your body's healing and repair processes, and this holds true for nerve health as well. During sleep, the body undergoes crucial regeneration, allowing nerves to repair and recharge. Aim for a consistent sleep schedule and create a relaxing bedtime routine. To enhance the quality of your sleep, ensure that your sleeping environment is comfortable, cool and free from the distractions. By prioritizing adequate sleep and rest, you provide your nerves with the necessary time and conditions to heal and recover. Remember, enhancing nerve health is a holistic approach that surrounds proper nutrition, lifestyle choices and self-care. While these foods, vitamins and bonus tips can play a significant role, it's essential to remember that everyone's journey to nerve healing is unique. If you're experiencing persistent or severe nerve issues, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional who can provide personalized guidance and address any underlying conditions. By nourishing your body with these essential nutrients, adopting healthy habits and seeking professional advice, you're taking proactive steps towards optimal nerve health. Embrace this journey as an opportunity to prioritize your well-being and empower yourself with knowledge. Incorporate these recommendations into your daily routine. Listen to your body and be patient with the healing process. Remember, healing takes time and dedication, but the rewards of improved nerve health are well worth it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Farm Fresh for more informative content. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.